Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video I am going to teach how to wire an industrial switchboard. This switchboard contains several single-phase and three-phase output. In the first step we install the equipment in the electrical panel. This is a three-phase RCCB switch that is used as the main switch, meaning it supplies power to the entire panel. This switch has three phase inputs and one neutral input. This is a single-phase miniature circuit breaker that supplies power to the control circuit. This is a three-phase monitoring relay that protects three-phase outputs against voltage changes and fluctuation as well as against two-phase. The upper part is for the three-phase and neutral input and the lower part is for the relay output. These are some single-phase miniature switches that supply power to the single-phase outputs. One of the outputs works as a timer, so we need a timer relay. This electrical panel includes a three-phase contactor output, so we need a contactor. To protect the three-phase output against excess current, we use a current controller relay that is installed next to the contactor. Now we install the input and output terminals. These four terminals are for the three-phase and neutral input to the electrical panel. The blue terminal is for the neutral input. These terminals are for three-phase output, three of which are connected to the motor and two of which are for the sensor. These terminals are for single-phase outputs, which include a common neutral. This is for two single-phase output. And these terminals are for the cooler output, one for neutral, one for slow speed, one for fast speed, and one for the water pump. And these are the three-phase and neutral output terminals that are connected directly to the input terminals. The installation of equipment is finished. Now we start the wiring. In the first step, we connect three-phase and neutral wire from the input terminals to the input of the RCCB switch, and also we connected the three-phase and neutral wire from the input terminals to the three-phase output terminals. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. This is for the third phase. And this is for the neutral wire. In this step, we connect three phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the single-phase miniature switch. Also, we connect three phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the contactor. Also, we connect three phases and neutral wire from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the three-phase monitoring relay. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. This is for the third phase. In this step, we connect three phases from the output of the contactor to the three-phase output terminals. But before that, we pass the three phases through the whole of the current controller relay to measure and display the current following through the consumer so that in the event of an error, the circuit is interrupted by the contactor. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. This is for the third phase. In this step, we connect the neutral wire from the output of the RCCB switch to all of the neutral output terminals, which is marked in blue. In this step, we connect the phase wire from the output of the miniature switch to the single phase output terminals. This miniature switch is for the outlet that is installed in the body of the electrical panel. Two of the single-phase outputs are controlled by the selector switches installed on the electrical panel door. So we connect the output of the miniature switch to the input of the selector switch and their output to the output terminals. And this is a two-state selector switch that is used to start the motor on a timer or permanently. Input of this switch is connected to the output of the three-phase monitoring relay, which is named 18. And one of its outputs is connected to the timer input, which is named PH and start, and from the timer output to the current controller relay, which is named PH and C, and from its output to the contactor coil. And one of its outputs is connected directly to the input of the current controller relay, and its output is connected to the contactor coil. The wiring is finished. If you liked the video, please press the like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. This is a simple wiring diagram of this electrical panel. Please pay attention to the wiring.